Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen of that webpage to learn more. So the euro yen has actually been pretty sideways for a few weeks now. It has been a pretty big holiday, so it's understandable. If you go up to the higher time phase, I still think there's a very good chance it's going to end up making a five-way pattern to the upside, and that we are currently in a wave three, probably a wave three of wave C more than likely, which I still think is going to go up and probably take out the high of wave A at least. So I am definitely still recommending longs. I mean, I'm looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long, one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long, one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long. There's definitely been plenty of one, two, three-way pullbacks to go long, even though it is kind of a rangy market. So what is it going to do today? I mean, today technically is a bank holiday for most people still. Maybe it will push down again. If it does push down again, that's fine by me because I would continue to look for long, especially at the end of three-way pullbacks. I still think there's a very good chance at some point this is going to gain some momentum to the upside and make a big old wave three of wave C, which there should be a wave C of wave B on the much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.